Welcome, today you've heard of me, HONOR Magic4 Pro, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap on the Wi-Fi section. After that, click to the switcher to activate the Wi-Fi, and here you'll see the list with all of the available networks. For example, let's select this one. Here we should enter the password. If you want to see this password, click once on this icon. And now, for example, to handle some mistakes, you can see this password. I'll do it out of screen. After that, just tap here to connect. Wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you want, you can also just select more networks, enter the password, connect to them, and after that you can switch between them if you want. Just to turn on Wi-Fi, click once again on this Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first open notification panel, and here you'll see Wi-Fi icon. Tap once on the icon to activate Wi-Fi. To launch Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and now by the same way, select the network, enter the password, and tap to connect. To turn off the Wi-Fi, click once again on this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.